Boys, what day is coming up?
Father's Day.
And what does your father want for Father's Day? Does he want socks?
No.
Does he want a tie with frilly flowers?
No.
Does he want a trip to the spa for a massage and pedicure?
No.
What does your father want for Father's Day?
Adventure.
Adventure! And what do you guys suggest? What do you have there in your hand?
Biotech challenge.
Fire kits. A challenge? I think all fathers want skills and gear for Father's Day. So that's perfect. Tell me about the challenge that you're offering.
So we have these kits, fire kits, that they have 6 ways to make a fire.
6 ways to make a fire. You're going to have to tell me about those 6 ways. Open that up. Cash, what's so important about fire? You think a father should be a man?
Yeah.
Do you think men should know how to make fire?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Do you think that your father, your dad, should know how to teach you how to make fire
Yeah.
so that you can be a man?
Yeah.
All right, tell me about what you got inside there.
We got this little stuff. We got this fire.
Okay, Levi's laying them out here.
This.
He's got 6 ways you said to make fire? Wow. Can you get the last one out there? Okay, lay it out there and tell us what you got.
So we got a striker and a
Ferro rod,
ferro rod, and we got some matches and some of these
flint, a Fresnel lens,
What?
a Fresnel lens.
Yeah.
So let's see, I count 1, 2, 3, 4 different tools to make fires with, but the challenge is for 6 different fires. We're challenging all men, all fathers everywhere to hone their skills to learn how to make fire 6 different ways, beginning from the easiest to the hardest. What's the easiest way, Levi?
Okay, we have these.
Even easier than that. What do you?
Easier.
Even easier, the easiest. There you go. So the first fire is a one-match fire.
Yes.
And we're going to show videos on how to do all of these, right?
Yes.
And have you done some of them already?
Yes, I have.
And we're going to put these videos on YouTube so that we can teach people.
Yes.
And so these fathers can then teach their boys.
Yes.
And it's an awesome family experience, huh? Okay, so we've got the first one, which is a one-match fire. Okay, what's the second one we're showing them?
So
Yep.
showed in
Ferro rod, striker.
rod and a striker.
And 2 different ways with that, right? Because you can use that to light natural materials like wood shavings that we'll show them, or fun things like what did we light on fire with that?
We lighted it on fire
With jute twine.
yes,
And then what came out of the laundry room?
and
Dryer lint.
dryer lint.
And that was awesome. It burns super fast, huh?
Yeah.
We're going to show them that. Then what else did you use? What's that?
Use magnifying glass.
Yep.
Use these. It takes like 3 minutes to get them started.
Yeah, it was pretty hard, wasn't it? It's getting harder and harder. Okay? But that was fun, right?
Yes.
And then what do you have there?
We have flint.
Flint. And what do you use with flint to start a fire? So that is actually right there. That's the steel. So that's not flint. That's the steel. So it's flint and steel. So we're going to challenge them to go find a piece of flint or a rock that doesn't have to be flint, but a rock that will throw sparks off of that piece of steel, right? And that steel will do it. But that's hard. And the last one, I only see 4. So tell me you told me about 5 fires. Where's the last one? Not with that one. With that blue rope. It's hidden. Yeah, to untie that rope.
And then you put like fire on it.
No, you use it to make a bow drill, right? And then we're going to make fire, and we'll show videos on that too, but that's super hard. All these things, that's a cool kit and a cool challenge. And you know what?
And I talk about these too.
Yeah, and that striker has some other tools on it, huh?
Yeah.
It's a great striker. It's a great tool to have.
The striker has this
Got a wrench and a ruler.
And yep. And then
Tell me, how much are you selling these kits for?
$20.
$20, right?
Yes.
And plus shipping.
Yep.
And how many do you have to sell?
We have 25.
25. Oh my goodness, there's going to be so many more people than 25 that want these. Supplies are super limited, huh? So you better order fast. So we are going to put up videos on how to do this, and you can check them out on our YouTube channel, Growing Gardeners, and we'll show you how, and we would like to see everyone's own videos on if they can get a fire started with these methods. So tell them good luck
Good luck.
and have fun with learning some new skills.